All right, I'm going to show you how to change your fridge or freezer door seal on a Samsung or a Haier or a Hisense or an LG or many fridges these days. So you open the fridge or the freezer door, they're both exactly the same, and you grab it by the corner, top corner, and you slowly pull it away, and it will peel out of a plastic channel that goes along the door. This doesn't damage the seal or affect the seal in any way. You can clip it straight back in afterwards, and it works fine. So, grab it by the corner, peel it out. It should pull out really easily. You shouldn't really have to apply any force. With some LGs, it is quite difficult to get the corner out. You might want to use a screwdriver, but most fridges, it just peels straight out. So, once you've got the seal out from the door, boom, you'll just be left with a plastic channel. You can go around with some warm soapy water and just clean it up if it's dirty. Sometimes you'll get a bit of food and whatnot left behind. Then you grab the new door seal, and on the back there will be a dart. We call it a dart that clips back into that channel. So I recommend starting in the corners. Just line it up, clip it in, and then the other corner. Boom. Should just clip straight in. Bottom corner. Boom. And the last corner. Boom. And then just go around with your thumb or your finger and just clip it in. Make sure you go around and you make sure every part is properly clipped in. Sometimes I'll go to clients' houses and see certain parts haven't been clipped in, and it will look something like that. So make sure it's clipped in properly all the way around. And just on the top. Boom. Perfect. If you find that after installing a new seal, there are gaps, like small gaps like that maybe, you just use a hairdryer to just heat it up, and the seal will expand out a little until it covers that gap, but just by itself. So hairdryer will fix most problems. And that's it. And this works, like I said, for most fridges these days. Thank you.